Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to restart laptop with keyboard having Windows 10. So if the start button is not working sometimes, then you need to shut down your Windows. Okay, so you can do it with the keyboard. However, what you need to keep one thing in mind. So suppose you are using Chrome here and we need to use a shortcut, that is Alt plus F4. Okay, so you should not open up any window, otherwise it will close the window. Okay, that shortcut. So go to the desktop just like this, then you need to press Alt plus F4 from the keyboard and it will open up a small window which says shutdown Windows. However, click on this little arrow icon that you see and you will get many options in order to switch user or sign out or sleep or shut down, and you can simply click on restart, then you can click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will turn off all the apps, it will close all the apps, it will turn off your PC and it will restart it. So this is a very simple way to do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Thank you.